everyone! So for today's video, I will be unboxing another gaming chair. Now, I did unbox two gaming chairs already, so if you haven't seen those yet, then I will leave a link over here and another one over here, or I'll just post it at the end of the video. But you have to watch this one first because I think that it is going to be the best one. What I really like about this one is that it has speakers and it looks so much cooler than the other two that I got. Also, I did get a different color this time because I just wanted something new, so I am so excited to be unboxing this one. It is called the VONRACER Sound Series gaming chair. It's about $140, but I do have a coupon code, so if you're interested, I will put the coupon code here. I will also put it down in the description box. What's good about this company is that they do have 1-year warranty and they have a 30-day return period, which, to be honest, I don't think it's gonna be something that you will need, because by the look of this, I think you'll just want to keep it. So we have here the instructions. Ooh, this is the chair. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Oh, something fell. It's another box. But let's get this chair out first. Ooh, a nice pillow. We have here, it's like a velvet material. So these are the cords. And we have here the plug. I'm guessing it's for the speakers. We have the armrest. Another box. We have here screws and every tool. What else? Oh, where you put the chair on. And then last one is the base. It is a metal, very heavy metal. And it does have like a plasticky thing on the side so it doesn't ruin your floor. Sorry about the messy background, but just looking at that, it looks like it's done already. Like, I don't even need to put the armrest, but I'm still gonna do that because that's the complete chair. But I just sat on it and it's super comfy. I am so excited. Hello! So as you can see, I am done with the assembling part and I cut it off because I just wanted to save some of the battery, of the camera's battery, but it is super comfortable. I am so happy that I finally got this chair because compared with my other chairs, this is the most comfiest chair ever. You don't even need the pillow. It has this cushion right here. It's like perfect to the curves of my body. I am so happy. Like, you can really rest in this one. I can't even sleep in this chair, to be honest. It is that comfy, and I think I'm gonna be resting in a bit. Maybe playing a game here. It also has armrest. You can put it up if you don't want it. but I like it. There's one more thing that I haven't shown you, which is the speaker part. So I just plugged it. I'm trying to see how this works. It says it has a Bluetooth, and you can also plug it in, but I'm gonna try the Bluetooth. I'm gonna connect it first. Let us try a copyright-free music. Nice. Let's put some bass in that. Wow, I am so happy with this one. Make it louder. Cool. That is a nice added feature. I am so happy. I'm gonna be watching movies with this from now on. I'm not just gonna play with it. I'm gonna watch movies with it because I just love that fact about it. It's like you got that surround sound going on. I'm gonna have so much fun with this chair, honestly. I love listening to music, so I could just do that while sitting on this chair. Yeah, overall, I'm so happy with this chair. This is my favorite chair out of all the gaming chairs that I own. I swear this is my favorite now because of everything. Like, even though it doesn't have that massage factor to it, I have that in my other chair, which honestly I could just get that and use it while on this chair too. Not a problem. I love the speaker so much. There's a lot of times when my back hurts, especially since I have scoliosis, but with this chair it like hugs my curves perfectly. I am so happy. I cannot wait to use this in long periods of time while playing, while watching movies, or just chilling, relaxing. Sorry for the mess in the background. I got tired assembling this chair, but to be honest, it is the easiest one out of all of my gaming chairs. It's literally connected already. You just have to put it on the stand and just put the arms, and that's basically it. The only thing that I didn't like about this chair is that you cannot adjust the height of it, which is fine for me because you can easily get a table where you can adjust that one instead. Thank you so much for VONRACER for gifting this to me. I am so happy. I do have a coupon code. If you guys forgot about that, I will put it here. You can check out their other chairs, but to be honest, this is my favorite. This is the one that I recommend the most. But they do have other chairs if you want a pink chair, if you want other colors of chair, they have all of those. They have other options. I will leave the link down in the description bar. And yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.